You will start with the best probiotic and calcium rich ingredient, yogurt. You don't need Greek or any special kind of yogurt. Just take 2 tablespoons of plain simple yogurt and add it to the mixer grinder jar. Now add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper powder and a pinch of freshly roasted cumin seed powder. This gives the drink a refreshing earthy flavor. To make it truly fresh, let's roast some cumin seeds. Place a flat pan on the medium heat and add a few teaspoons of cumin seeds. Roast them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally until they turn slightly darker and aromatic. You can roast a larger batch and store it in an airtight container to use it for other recipes later. Freshly roasted cumins always add amazing flavor and fragrance to any dish. Once you can smell that beautiful aroma, remove it from the heat and transfer the roasted cumin to a mixer grinder jar. Grind it to a fine powder. You can also use a mortar and pestle if you prefer a more traditional touch. Coming back to our drink, add 1 cup of cold water to the yogurt. Blend everything until smooth and frothy. You can also use a hand blender instead of a mixer grinder. And that's it. This is one of the best probiotic drink you can have. It's enjoyed daily in many Indian states and is also known as chas. It's also called plain salted lassi, which is just a slightly thicker version of this drink. There are many variations. Some people add green chilies, mint, coriander, black salt or other spices, but try experimenting and see what you like best. This simple version I have shown today tastes amazing, light and super refreshing. So give it a try and don't forget to check out other videos for more easy and delicious recipes.